making guesses and I know how to make my best guess. This is called estimation. Now you're saying that how many shells were in my jar, and I got pretty close to the real number. How cool is that? So, now I've been thinking a lot about it. You can really estimate okay, I've got it. Here's my super, 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 super big idea. I want us to do something big. I mean, really big.
Oh.
I got it. How about all the stars in the sky? First, I'll invent a really big estimation jar. Then, I'll fly through the sky and collect all the stars and put them in my gigantic estimation jar. Okay, now it's time to start estimating. I'm going to need lots of help. Come on, everyone in the world. Let's all start estimating. 800 days away. 4,000. We estimate that there are lots of stars. The stars are so beautiful. And that's my super duper ooper schmooper big idea. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you guys. You've been awesome. And thank you. I am Sid, the Science Kid. And I estimate I can wave goodbye about 100 times. Remember, keep asking lots and lots of questions. See you later, scientists. Hey, still waving. Wow. Oh, hi. We're just checking out our website. You can explore with us. Great idea. Come join us. Visit pbskids.org. There's a lot of great information for grown-ups, too. You can do a creativity computer. Hey, scientists, there's lots more amazing science coming your way. My friends and I will learn how to use science tools, investigate how things change, discover our senses, and explore how to keep our bodies healthy. So come join me, Sid the Science Kid.
Hola. You know, not everything is what it seems. Take my friend Mr. Caterpillar, for instance. Right now, he's just walking along on his tiny little legs. But before you know it, when springtime comes,